Oh, it's only 100.
You ready? Thanks.
You're welcome. Don't lose it. It's non-refundable.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I get another $100, Puppy?
With Connect. Is that what the thing is called?
What? No way! No, it can't be true. Oh my gosh, it's a 360 cadet. That is the box. No, it's not.
Yeah.
I borrowed it from Billy.
Oh! This is not funny. That wasn't nice.
Oh, you sure though?
It is not nice, Bart. I'm going to scream my head off.
You already did.
Scream it off again. It's just, a box. Right here.
Stand up the box.
It has to. Yep, it is. It is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Connect is when you like most emotion sends for me.
And I wanted you to open the cash when Megan opened the Xbox and it still worked out, didn't it, Donnie?
Almost worked out.
Right.
How come you said you weren't gonna get it? I was so funny. I was trying not to laugh.
We got it on Black
Mom's like-
Friday.
Mom's like,
We had it.
Megan,
We
you're
had
not getting an Xbox 360, and I'm like,
Dad got it for you on Thanksgiving.
On Thanksgiving night. Not even Black Friday.
That was the first thing I bought.
He stood in line in the rain. Me and Allie stood in line. We got a coat on.
you're the best dad ever. You know that?